Good morning. I hope everybody is having a good morning today. And I wanted to hop on very quickly and do a promo, a little skincare Saturday for blueberries. Today is blueberry picking day, okay? And this entire month is blueberry month, okay? I want to talk to you just a little bit about how good blueberries are for you, in case you didn't know, okay? I'm a big berry fan. And so, y'all excuse me, I just got off the treadmill. I'm a little short of breath, and I'm probably a little glistening. You know, I don't sweat, I glisten. So, anyway, even in the house, it's a little humid. But, okay, so here's how I refuel after I do a run. And so I wanted to stop and talk to you about blueberries because I picked a whole bunch of blueberries the other day. And I'm picking every other day or so because they're ripening that fast. Okay, now if you don't have access to blueberry bushes, then go to the grocery store and get a bag of blueberries, frozen or mixed or fresh or whatever. And, you know, just know that they are so good for you. Okay, so I put some ice in my blender. That's the first thing I did. I'm going to put in half a banana, blueberries and banana. Good combo. Okay, I'm going to put in a little bit of juice. You can add water if you want to, but I do like a light cranberry juice just to get a little bit more, you know, flavonoids and things like that. And so now I'm going to put in about a half a cup of blueberries. Okay, now fresh berries, you can keep those in the fridge for like over a month. If you put them in a container, just fold up a little piece of paper towel. I folded mine like in quarters or eighths and laid it on top. It absorbs the extra moisture from the blueberries. Now, let me just tell you a little bit about the benefits of blueberries, okay? As I have like half a cup of those, that's going to be about 40 calories. Blueberries fight off inflammation. They're full of antioxidants, okay, in your body. Inflammation can cause all kinds of issues in your body if you don't know about that, but especially in your skin, it can cause acne. It can promote acne. It can promote and feed psoriasis and eczema. So you want to get something that has a lot of antioxidants in it. Okay, now I'm going to say this. Do not mix up your own little blueberry concoction. If you see all kind of videos going around about putting groceries on your face, be very wary because you can actually aggravate your condition and you can also cause infection using things like that, because the companies that utilize the antioxidants from blueberries use a blueberry extract. Okay, just word to the wise, when you see all those crazy videos about people putting groceries on their face, resist the urge to do that. Okay, all right, so blueberries are 85% water. Okay, they are the most nutrient dense fruit there is. I mean, they're just packed with goodness. Okay, they have fiber. A lot of fiber in them, which is always good for your body, okay? And they help with your skin, the glowing, okay? They help your skin to be more radiant because they contain a whole lot of vitamin C. Now, they don't have as much vitamin C, say, as an orange or something like that, but they have enough that is going to help protect your skin from UV rays and from free radical damage, okay? They're also going to promote healthy aging, okay? And, you know, if you're not really eating a diet that's rich in antioxidants, then you are susceptible to accelerated aging. You're not going to age well. You can kind of see this with people who ingest a lot of sugar and starch and carbs, those kind of things, all of that, the carbs and the, what else did I say? The carbs and the, I just lost my train of thought. But those kind of things, starch, okay? Carbs and starch contribute to the sugar in your body. they turn into sugar, in case you didn't know that. So if you're eating a lot of potatoes and chips and bread and all that kind of stuff, you need to really back off of that and go for more fruits and vegetables, okay? The more fruits and vegetables that you have in your diet, the better off you are. Okay, now they also help with collagen. They protect collagen. I'm going to add a little scoop of collagen peptides to mine. Collagen is just so essential for your joints, bones, your tissues. It provides your skin and your body with the building blocks it needs to renew itself well. Okay, and I am also going to add a little protein powder to that because I like to do protein pretty much every meal, and what I am doing does not have a lot of protein in it this morning. However, you could put some Greek yogurt in your smoothie, and that would really help with the protein factor. Plus you'd get the probiotics, prebiotics, and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, so grab some blueberries, put that on your list today. Grab some blueberries at the store, or if you know where you can go pick some, then do that. And by the way, blueberry bushes are not that hard to grow. It does take them a few years to get to producing. You need like at least 2 or 3 varieties. A lot of people don't know that, to mix together so they cross-pollinate, and you'll be having blueberries pretty soon. They don't need real rich soil or anything like that. They do like soil with some good pH in it though, so you might have to get your soil tested, but you don't have to have real good soil to grow them. My neighbor and I have probably about 6 or 8 bushes maybe between us, and we have them kind of planted near each other so they cross-pollinate off each other, and we get lots of blueberries in the summer. So anyway, all right, I'm going to mix this up very quickly and get on with my day because I got a busy day today. Hope y'all have a super Saturday and enjoy your day. Bye.